Have you ever heard your doctor mention a heart murmur? And then you wondered, what does that really mean? So we're going to break it down. So I have a video here. And as you can see, the heart has two atriums and two ventricles. Right in the middle, you have the valves. It's very important to know that the role of the valves, so you have the tricuspid and the mitral one between the atrium and the ventricle, which its main goal is for the blood flow to go from the atrium to the ventricle and not going back up. All right, so it goes only one way. Now, the other two valves, the aortic and pulmonary valve, they also have one role, which is to let the blood go from the heart out of the heart. That's the main role. We don't want the blood to come back in. So a heart murmur, it's when the doctor takes his stethoscope and puts it on your heart area to listen, he will hear a whooshing kind of sound or a swishing kind of sound. And this usually happens when the blood flows not normally through the heart. Now, I just want to get this straight. There are some murmurs that are innocent, especially in kids or healthy adults, meaning that the heart is fine. But in other times, it can signal heart valve problems, or maybe a hole in the heart, or some other cardiac conditions. It is not all murmurs that needs treatment. But if your doctor hears one, it's important to follow up with an echocardiogram to see what is happening within the heart. So the key getaway, a murmur is just a signal. It's not always dangerous, but always worth understanding because knowledge is your heart's best ally. So I know you've got this. Till the next one. Tolu.